Hi guys, Laruya from the website My Kleine Winkel. So I met Wilco around about August 2024 and he contacted me one day and he asked me what is really the perfect security system. So I said to him, look, there is nothing that is 100% perfect. But the one device that has really stood out to me over the past 27 years working with technological security is definitely Spotbot. And then he explained to me what their situation was. Now, their situation was they've got a restaurant on the side of the road between in the Northern Cape. Let me just call it in the Northern Cape, and they've constantly had break-ins, but they could never catch the guys because the police, you know what happens with the police, and I said to him, well, the only way to actually know if somebody is approaching the restaurant and if somebody is breaking into the restaurant would be Spotbot. Now, what Walker did is he bought himself a camera system from us and then he bought a Spotbot as well. We set it up for him in such a manner that it would contact him on his phone as soon as there's a human detection. And this is the context behind this review. As you can see, they eventually caught the two people with the help of their camera system connected to Spotbot. And this is the type of review that um, we are looking for, of course, but also this is the reality of Spotbot. So if you are in the financial position to purchase something like this is almost 99.99% accurate. This is most probably the most accurate device that I've ever worked with um, in the past 27 years working in the security trade. I hope this helps you.